can give us all a little bit of a self-care kickstart in a rather unique way. Introducing the everyday laughter queen. It is Lotte Mikkelsen! Hello, Lotte!
Hello, and thank you very much.
Tell us more about your laughter yoga.
How did you get into laughter yoga?
I didn't start laughing every day, actually. Well, of course, I laughed every day, yeah. But for real until 2008, when I started the Telephone Laughter Club. The way we do it, because it's not depending on jokes or comedy or even having a great sense of humor. It's about doing laughter as an exercise where we get so many benefits from it. And that's really what laughter yoga is all about. So you may think, oh, do I need to do poses and so on? No. We do breathing exercise from yoga, and then we do playful laughter. Because often when we grow up, we forget the playfulness. We forget that playfulness we have inside, because life becomes full of serious commitments, as I'm sure you all know.
But you're absolutely right, you know. But when I'm acting, if I do a comedy, if I'm working on a comedy and I go home, I feel great when I've got home because I've been laughing all day.
Yeah.
That's what it makes you feel like inside.
You know, we connect with people when we laugh, but it's got to be a really good laugh, a belly laugh.
Well, look, you're making me want to do that right now. So, I mean, look, so what exercises can we do right now? What can we all do?
We could do a mental flossing, and it goes like this. You pull out your mental floss, and it goes, hee, and then you floss your head with a ha, 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 ha. It's like a real laughter to begin with.
Ready? What happened, Jordan, is you actually went into the castle and lost your mind. Yeah. And now you're here. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. What have you got another one for us, Lotte, that we can just quickly do?
Yeah, I certainly do. So one of the things is also, you know, when you wake up in the morning, it's something everybody can do, because we're not necessarily always in a really great mood in the morning. So lots of people go to the bathroom first thing, and when you pass a mirror, for example, look in the mirror and just go, ha, 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 ha. Because at some point it may turn into real laughter. So give yourself thumbs up.
Let's do it, because we can't see each other. We all have to do it facing one each other. So, Scarlett, you face... Oh, no, Jed, Jordan and Dad, you face each other. Scarlett, you and I face each other. Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
This is like drama school.
Very good.
Shall I tell you something, though? When you're acting, laughing is one of the most difficult things to portray in reality.
I can imagine.
It's really difficult to make it not sound false.
Very good. Lotte, thank you so much for that.
Yeah, lovely.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much for asking.
Well, it's been lovely to have you on the show.
It's a pleasure to share laughter with you, but don't hold it back. Really go for it.
We will do. Let's hear it for Lotte, everyone.
That's it for today. If you fancy watching us all over again, or you missed any of the show, you can catch up now on the ITV Hub.
Yeah, thank you so much to our guest. Let's hear it for Jordan North.
Yay!